Hey guys, what's up? It's time for the Figurized Standard Kamen Rider Faiz model kit review. Here you can see uh, just a nice little figure, about 6 inches. He goes very well with SHF Kamen Rider figures. Very nicely done. As you can see, a lot of detail within each of the individual pieces, within the individual parts. Look at the bottom of his feet. I know it's a sticker, but it's molded underneath there too, if you'd like to paint it. The silver is so nice and shiny, and he's also very nicely articulated. He is the second Kamen Rider Bandai model kit I've created after the very first, after the early first Cyclone Joker kit, I think in 2009 or 2010. But this guy's a lot smaller. That guy was huge, probably like up to here on him. But as you can see, very nice, very well proportioned, perfect figure, basically. Now, articulation wise, his head sculpt, his head is just on a ball joint here. The neck is two separate pieces, so a lot of rotation and swivel, and very nice. So with the head on there, it's very emotive. He can look up very high. He can look down. It's very good. He can tilt side to side. It's very emotive. Very nice. Okay, next the arms. First you've got the this joint here on the shoulder pads, which is nice. Gets a good look at the articulation underneath as well. So he's got a nice, very realistic upwards movement. You can do a full 360-degree rotation. On the inside here, it's almost like a butterfly joint. It's very loose on my figure because I was a bit sloppy with it. But it's very nice. It comes forward a lot. It can go down. Very nice. Underneath the shoulder pad, there's a bicep swivel. He's got a nice double jointed elbow as well. Gives him a lot of range. No wrist swivel or no arm or anything like that. But down here at the wrist, as you can see, it's just a very, very loose, or not loose, but the peg hole allows for movement within the figure. The waist, he's got a lot of waist movement. It's separated here and here, and then from the lower waist here. So he can move back quite well, but he really goes forward well. Quite nice and forwards, quite a nice lean. He can look down at his feet. A lot of rotation and tilt as well at angles. It's very nice. Then his legs, they've got a bit of drop down on them. I don't know if you can see that. The slight drop down, which means you can kick very far forwards, almost 90 degrees. You can kick back almost 90 degrees. It goes out a bit, but his butt sculpt does not hinder it very much. He can go out very far. There's a thigh swivel. A nice double joint at the knee, very nice. And then the toes, the feet, they can go forwards and backwards and rotate on a swivel, which leads to very nice posability and articulation. Next, accessory wise, seeing as this is something you have to build, he comes with his nice bracer knuckle thing, which can come out and go around his specific hand. He also has the energy tube thing, which comes with an extended version, which attaches to his foot. I just keep them both on because I think it looks nice. He comes with his special Faiz phone thing, which opens up and everything like that and spins. I'll show you a close look at that soon. He comes with a nice version of in gun form, all of these colors on these smaller things are just sticker detail and not painted or anything like that. Just plain silver with stickers on it. He also comes with other hands. He comes with fists, open hands. Here's another look at that phone, which, as you can see, you can open it up and even rotate it, which is nice, but it's very tiny. He also comes with this hand, which I currently have the unpainted sword in, but the knuckle can fit in there as well. The bracer, whatever you'd like to call it, can fit in there as well. And the way you just swap hands is, as seen before, you just pull. Oh, it is a model kit, so it will come apart if you pull it. But you grab the wrist and just pop it out, and then put the new hand in. Perfect. Okay, and now, just before we close out, we'll go for a size comparison quickly. Okay. So here we have the other model kit I've built, Kamen Rider Kabuto. Another Figure Eye standard model kit. Very nice. I think they scale very well together. Next, we have SH Figure Arts Kamen Rider Drive Type Dead Heat. I think he's a nice figure, but I think, personally, his limbs are very thin. And then finally, we have the Kamen Rider 1 suit redesign from the Ghost movie. And as you can see, I think these scale really well with the SHF figures. He's an SHF as well. It's very nice. Oh, and Faiz also comes with a stand. You just plug it into the hole in his back, like so. So you can, and it's angled and adjustable. It's very nice. And then also, he comes with, sorry, one more thing quickly. Faiz comes with his rider kick effect part, which means you just adjust his how you want him to look, and then you take the two shell pieces, and then they just snap together, and just tuck into his foot. I don't know if you can see that. There's molding on the inside for his foot to fit. And so it's not a very tight fit, but it just sits right in there. And there you go. Kamen Rider Faiz effect part. And okay, I think that does it for the review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you stick around for the next one. Thanks. This has been Cool Dude. Peace.